Video what I am going to teach you is like a manual testing, guys. See, students who are afraid of coding, the best path you can choose is testing only. You can go as an automation test engineer or manual test engineer, but if you want to learn automation, you need to know about manual. Okay, once you know basics, then only you go for advanced, right? So today onwards, I want to teach you manual testing concepts. Okay, manual testing. Before knowing about manual, first of all, we need to know what is mean by testing. Okay, what is mean by testing, guys? Anything we are verifying or checking, that is nothing but testing. Manual testing is nothing but testing the software manually without using any tools is called manual testing. Definition for manual testing is video is not clear, I think so. Okay, testing software manually, that means without using any tool is called manual testing. Okay, manual testing is nothing but testing the software manually, that means without using any tools is called manual testing. Okay, automation testing. You already heard this term in market, right? Automation. Automation testing is nothing but testing the software, testing software using tools, that is called automation testing. Automation simply opposite to the manual testing. Okay, testing the software using tools is called automation testing. Okay, what are the tools we have? We have n number, so many tools, guys. In that, Selenium, Tosca, all, some more, all these are automation tools. Okay, manual testing is nothing but testing the software manually without using any tool is called manual testing. Automation testing means testing the software using tools is called Selenium, or tools are nothing but Selenium, Tosca. Okay, see, in general, if we want to do any work, we need to follow some rules, some regulations, right? Some steps we need to follow, right? In in IT industry also, if you want to develop an application or software, application software both are same, guys. Don't get confused. Application software both are same. If they want to develop any application or software, they need to follow some rules. Okay. First of all, what is that rule? SDLC. Very important in manual testing, guys. What is this SDLC means? Software development life cycle. Okay, software development life cycle. In this SDLC, we have different models. Okay, first one is waterfall model. Second one is spiral model. Next one is prototype model. Next, V model. Last one is agile model. Okay. All these models are used for developing application only, guys. For developing application. Okay. But in each model they follow some different steps. Okay. First we will see what is this SDLC. Very important in manual testing. Okay. Let's see what is this SDLC. What is the full form of SDLC? Software Development Lifecycle. In this SDLC, we have some steps. First one is requirement collection. Next one is feasibility study or analysis. Next one is designing. Next one is coding. Next one is testing. Then installation. The last one is maintenance. Okay, these are the steps involved in SDLC. What is SDLC? Software Development Lifecycle. Before discussing about these steps, first of all, when we will go to this SDLC, first we need to understand that. Okay, whenever a person or a company wants to develop a software, then we will go for SDLC. Okay, let's take an example, guys. Suppose if we take a bank, okay, SBI bank, I am taking here. This SBI bank needs one application. Okay, it requires one application. It will approach one company. Company is like TCS. Okay, this SBI bank will approach this TCS company. Okay, I have one requirement that I want one application with so and so feature. Is it possible to develop it? This SBI bank will ask like that to the TCS company. What TCS company will say? Okay, I will develop. Okay, I will develop an application for you. Then, but if I want to develop an application, first of all, I need requirement. Requirement is nothing but what type of application you want, what are the features you need, all that info I want. TCS will ask this SBI. Okay, then SBI will provide all the features in the form of CRS document. Okay, in the form of CRS document. What is this CRS document? Customer requirement specification. Customer requirement specification. Who will collect this CRS document? Business analyst. In this IT company, one person is there. He is called business analyst. He will collect this CRS document. Okay. This CRS document, it is completely in business terminologies only. In this document, business terminologies are there. Okay. Business terminologies will not be understood by the developers, right? In our IT company, developers are there, right? They will not understand these business terminologies. Okay, this business analyst, what he will do, he will convert the CRS document to SRS document. Okay, the CRS document will convert into SRS document. Who will convert? Business analyst. Who will collect the requirement from the customer? Business analyst, in the form of CRS document. CRS document is nothing but customer requirement specification. SRS document is nothing but software requirement specification. Software requirement specification. Okay, here first step is completed. They collect all the requirements from the bank. Okay, then after collecting the requirements, the company will start analyzing. It is nothing but feasibility study. Okay, what are the features they want, what kind of application it is, how we want to develop this, how much budget it need, everything they will discuss in this step, guys. In this feasibility study, everything they will discuss. Once after analyzing, then they will start designing. In designing, we have two steps. First one is high level designing, second one is low level designing. High level designing means developing import major feature of the application. Who will do it? Architect will do it. Okay, architect or senior developers will do this. Okay, high level designing. Low level designing means some minor features. It will be developed by freshers or mid-level developers. Okay, in designing we have two phases like high level design, low level design. High level design, architect or senior developers will develop. In low level design, mid level engineers or freshers will be developed. Okay, once after designing, they will start coding. Designing is nothing but a blueprint, guys. A blueprint. Okay, they will develop a blueprint. Then coding. After completion of designing, they will start coding. In coding, they will write programs. Program is nothing but set of instructions. Okay, program is nothing but set of instruction. Once developers develop the application, developers will give that application to the test engineers. Okay, what test engineers will do? They will test the application. If they find any defects, they will communicate with the developers. Okay, test engineers, if they find any defects, they will communicate with developers. Then developers will fix it. Then again they will give it to the test engineers. Once the test engineers decide that this application doesn't have any defects, then only one person is there, guys. Field engineer. Okay, field engineer. He will install that application into customer environment or customer server. This field engineer will install that application into customer environment or customer server. Okay, once after installation, this field engineer will train about the application to that company people. Okay, that here I am taking SBI, right? SBI people, in that SBI they have some IT engineers. This field engineer will train how to use this application. Okay, he will train this SBI IT people. Okay, because these people only developed this application, right? This IT people whoever working in this SBI bank, they don't know how to use it. So this field engineer will train. Okay, once after installation is completed, if this SBI bank will start using that application. Okay, this SBI bank will start using that application. If suppose during it is using, right, during that process, if SBI get any defects or any problems, this SBI bank should meet to the this TCS company only, because this company developed the application. Okay, so it has to fix the problem or defects. Okay, so this TCS company and SBI bank, in initial stage only they will make an agreement. Okay, it is like a warranty, guys. Suppose if we buy anything like fridge or AC, they will give warranty. Okay, within 1 year or 5 years, if you have any problems, we can fix it. After warranty, if you get any problem, we will not fix, we will charge. In same way, this TCS and SBI also make an agreement. Suppose I am taking 1 year. Okay, this field engineer install this software SBI is using. If suppose it get any problem, this SBI bank will get any problem when it is using this software, it will communicate with the TCS only. If it is in within 1 year, it will fix. This TCS company will fix the problem. Suppose it crash 1 year, then the TCS company will charge from this SBI bank. Okay, this is nothing but maintenance. Okay, this is nothing but maintenance. Maintenance is nothing but once after installing the application in customer environment, if customer face any problem, then the company will take responsibility to fix that problem. If it is in warranty, if it is not in warranty, the company will charge. Okay, this is about SDLC. What is mean by SDLC? Software development life cycle. Okay, in this SDLC we have these many steps. Okay, next models we will discuss in next video. If you guys have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. If you guys like my video, please like, share. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Stay healthy, be happy.